Hey, so normally I've been talking about MicroStrategy over the last couple of weeks because it's really exciting, one of the greatest opportunities around. But let's not forget about the videos that I've been making on Tesla. Take a look at this video here where we're talking about the perfect trade. Tesla is turning out to be a really great trade. And today is Thursday, right before call expiration, but the stock is breaking out. So I've bought all my calls back and the stock is right around $370 right now. So here's what I'm going to do for the next week. I'm going to go a little bit in the money because I think even though Tesla's breaking out, I don't like the volume profile of Tesla breaking out. So I want to be a little bit safer. So I'm going to sell in the money. I'm going to go here and look at these 365s with the stock at 370. On the 365, I'm going to be able to collect $1,410 a contract basically, and $885 of that is in juice. So that is the trade for Tesla. If you remember right, I put a little bit of math here together, but the math has gotten away from me because I've been so caught up in MicroStrategy these days and doing all that math. But bottom line is we're making, you can look at this, it says, if you do this 365, even though it's in the money, you're still going to make 2.38% for the week, and that's in the money. I mean, if you go at the money, you're going to make 3%. I don't need to make 3%. I'm happy to make this. I don't know if it's going to continue the breakout. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. I don't try to predict stocks. I try to use probabilities to say, okay, the stock is in an uptrend so that I don't screw myself. But the bottom line is I'm just trying to make the juice. So you can see there's the juice on the 365 just hitting $900 a contract. And so I'm going to go out there and sell these calls here for roughly $1,400 a contract. $5 of that is in the money amount, right? It's in the money protection amount. In case the stock goes down, I still don't lose any money. I own synthetics on this trade, which means I can leverage my my account to be able to spend a little bit less, make a little bit more in juice, but I also have some increased risk in the profile. So, there's no free lunch in the market, but Tesla is on an uptrend. This is the kind of trade you want to be in. Picking up, $900 in juice per contract is what I want to be doing. So, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm selling next week's, 8 days out, next week, December 13th, 2024, 365s with the stock right at around 370, and I'm picking up $900 a contract. See you on the next video. Hey, it's Mark Yegan. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do me a favor and hit the subscribe button right now. It helps get the same kind of material out to other people and helps me grow the channel a little bit. Also, if you would like the video, if you think it's cool, great. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down, but tell me why you're giving me a thumbs down so I can get better. And then hit the notification bell, and that way you get the videos as soon as they come out, because I give you timely information a lot of the time, and you want to know what happens before that information gets stale. Thanks for being here.